Introducing RAYSCAPE LCS, a thoughtfully designed AI workflow for lung cancer screening. Each hospital or institution can access RAYSCAPE through a dedicated environment. Users log in securely with their own username and password, with Microsoft or other single sign-in options available on request. Once logged in, the user can view the list of available CT examinations. Cases can also be filtered by acquisition date, making it easier to identify the relevant screening studies. By selecting a CT examination, the platform opens the study using the relevant viewing window. At first, the radiologist can review the CT scan without the AI results displayed, supporting an independent initial assessment. When the user clicks Show AI, the findings generated by RAYSCAPE become visible. The AI output is fully interactive. As the radiologist scrolls through the slices, the detected nodules are displayed directly on the image. The user can also select each nodule individually to immediately navigate to its location. For every detected nodule, the platform displays the relevant measurements and attributes. The radiologist can review and adjust the lobar location by selecting the correct lung lobe from the available list. If needed, the user can also refine the nodule measurement. By marking the maximum diameter of the nodule, the platform automatically recalculates the corresponding nodule volume. The radiologist can also review and edit the nodule attributes. If a finding is considered a false positive, it can be removed from the case. At the same time, the radiologist can manually add a new nodule by selecting the Annotate Nodule button. After marking the maximum diameter, RAYSCAPE automatically annotates the nodule and generates the associated measurements and attributes. As findings are confirmed, edited, added, or removed, the LungRad score is updated accordingly. At any point, the user can save the case and return later to continue the review from where they left off. Once the first reader considers the examination finalized, the case is marked as complete. If the second reader is not required, a report can be automatically generated. The second reader accesses RAYSCAPE in the same secure way, using their dedicated account. Once logged in, they enter the second reader mode, where they only see the cases that require secondary review. The second reader selects the relevant CT examination, opens the case, and can again review the scan with or without the AI output displayed. The review and adjustment tools are the same as for the first reader. The second reader can inspect each finding, review the measurements, assess the nodule characteristics, and validate or adjust the proposed results according to their clinical judgment. Once the second read is completed, the platform compares the first and second reader assessments. If both assessments are aligned, the case can proceed toward final reporting. If there is a discrepancy, for example, if the first reader assigned a LungRads 4A score and the second reader assigned LungRads 2, the case is flagged for review. The users can be notified that a discrepancy has been identified between the two reads. By opening the conflict review section, they can clearly see the difference between the two LungRads assessments. The case can then be reopened to inspect the relevant findings and understand which nodule or adjustment impacted the final LungRads score. Using the dedicated communication section, the first and second readers can discuss the case directly within the platform. Once consensus is reached, the final result can be confirmed, and the case can be completed. The platform can then automatically generate a structured final report. Reports can be exported as PDF files or integrated into the hospital reporting environment. The report template is fully customizable. It can include hospital-specific information, such as the institution name and logo, details about the reporting physician, screenshots of the relevant nodules, and any other required fields. Reports can also be generated in the preferred language of the institution. Interested in learning more or testing the workflow? Get in touch with us at RAYSCAPE.ai.